Opening shot,
Hello
a
everybody,
person
and welcome
sitting at
back
a
to my
desk with a
channel, Sparkle
laptop and a
English, where I
notebook.
teach you how to improve
The
your
video
level
title
of
appears
English.
on
If
screen.
you haven't already,
13
make sure
Basic
to subscribe
Punctuation
to my
Rules
channel
in
for
English
more
Essential
ways on how
Writing
you can
Essential
improve your
Series and
English
Punctuation
writing,
Guide.
grammar, and speaking skills.
Host, welcome
Today's
back to the
video is
Essential
going to
Writing
be an
Essential
overall
Series.
basic punctuation
In
video
today's
as
episode,
part of my
we'll be
English
delving into the
Writing
world of
Essentials
punctuation.
series. This video
Punctuation
is going to
plays a
talk
vital
about
role in
13
written
basic
English,
punctuation
helping to
rules
convey
that you
meaning,
need to know
structure
to get started
sentences,
writing
and
in
enhance
English.
readability.
I have videos on how
So,
to use
let's
each
dive right in
punctuation
and
mark
explore 13
individually,
basic
so make sure to
punctuation
check the
rules that will
description
improve
below
your
if you
writing
want a more
skills.
in-depth video on
Cut to
one of
host
these
sitting at the
punctuation
desk,
marks.
holding a
So
marker
let's
or
get
pen.
started.
Host,
Rule
number
one.
1,
Every
the period,
declarative
also
sentence
known as the
must
full
end
stop,
with a
is
period
used to end
or a full
declarative
stop.
sentences and
For
statements.
example, she
For
loves
example,
chocolate.
I love hiking.
Period.
Text
He
appears
is
on
my best
screen.
friend.
Rule 1,
Period.
period, full
My
stop.
dad wants to go to a
Host,
restaurant for
rule
dinner.
number 2,
Period.
the question mark is
We
used
have
to
a meeting
indicate a
in
direct
2
question.
hours. Period.
For instance,
So
are
for
you
every
ready for the
declarative
exam?
sentence or statement,
Text appears
you
on
must end
screen.
it with
Rule
a period
2,
or a
question
full stop.
mark. Host,
Rule number
rule
2.
number 3, the
Capitalize
exclamation
the
mark
first letter
is used
of
to
a
express
sentence.
strong emotions or
Examples,
emphasis.
she loves chocolate.
It adds
So you can see we
excitement
have
or
to
urgency to a
capitalize
sentence.
He is
For
my
example,
best friend.
what a beautiful sunset.
My dad wants to go
Text
to a
appears on
restaurant for
screen.
dinner.
Rule 3,
We have a
exclamation
meeting
mark.
in 2 hours.
Host,
So
rule number
always
4,
capitalize
the
the
comma
first
is a
letter of a
versatile
sentence.
punctuation mark.
When a sentence
It
ends
is used to
with a question
separate
mark,
items
a
in a
period,
list,
or an
connect
exclamation
two
mark,
independent
you would leave
clauses
a
with a
space,
conjunction,
one
and set off
space,
introductory
and begin the
phrases
next
or
sentence with a
clauses.
capital letter.
For
For
instance,
example,
I
she
need to
loves
buy
chocolate.
apples, oranges, and
He
bananas.
loves
Text
pizza.
appears on screen.
We have
Rule
to
4,
capitalize
comma.
he and leave a
Host,
space
rule
between
number
the
5,
period
the
or the
colon
full
is
stop
used to introduce
and
a
the next
list or an
sentence.
explanation.
Rule
For
number
example,
3.
there are 3
Capitalize
countries
proper
on my
nouns.
travel bucket list:
So
Italy,
what is a
Japan,
proper noun?
and Australia.
A proper noun is a
Text
specific
appears on
name
screen. Rule
for a common
5,
noun.
colon.
So for example, a
Host,
common
rule
noun
number
would
6,
be boy,
the
but a
semicolon is
proper
used to
noun would
connect
be
two
the
closely
name of a
related
boy.
independent
For example,
clauses.
David. We
It's
would
an
not
effective way
capitalize
to join
boy
related thoughts
unless,
without
of course,
using a
it was the first
conjunction.
letter of a sentence.
For
But
instance,
we
I
would
love to
capitalize
write.
the name,
It's my passion.
David. Common
Text
noun,
appears on
day.
screen. Rule
Day
6,
is not capitalized.
semicolon.
But Friday
Host,
is
rule number
capitalized
7,
because
the
it's a
hyphen is
proper
used to
noun.
join
It's the
words
name
together
of
or
a
to
day.
break a word at the end of a
Month
line.
is a common noun.
For example,
July
it's a
is
well-known
proper
fact.
noun. Country
Text
is a
appears on
common
screen.
noun.
Rule 7,
Canada is a
hyphen.
proper noun.
Host,
City,
rule number
common
8,
noun.
the
New
dash is
York,
used to set
proper
off
noun.
additional information
Ocean,
within a sentence
common
or to
noun.
create a pause for
Atlantic
emphasis.
Ocean, proper noun.
For instance,
Okay?
she had
So
one
for
goal in
example,
mind: to
he
win
is
the
a
race.
boy. His name
Text
is
appears
David.
on screen.
We
Rule
would
8,
capitalize
dash.
David because it's a name.
Host,
It's a proper
rule number
noun.
9. Quotation
best day
marks
of the
are
week
used to
is
enclose direct
Friday.
speech or to
So you can
indicate
see
the title of a
day
short
is
work,
the common
like a
noun.
poem
It's
or a
not
song.
capitalized, but Friday
For
is a
example,
proper
he
noun,
said,
so it
"I'll be
is
there in 5
capitalized.
minutes."
My favorite month
Text appears
is
on
July.
screen. Rule 9, quotation marks.
Rule number 4.
Host,
Do not use
rule
an
number
apostrophe
10.
to
The
form a
apostrophe
plural.
is used to indicate possession
Examples.
or to form
This is
contractions.
incorrect. They have
For
2
instance,
cars.
that's
A
John's
lot
car,
of people
or
make
it's
the
a beautiful
mistake of
day.
adding an apostrophe
Text appears
to
on
try to
screen.
make this
Rule
plural.
10, apostrophe.
Another incorrect example.
Host,
I love
rule
cats
number
and
11.
dogs.
Parentheses
Both
are
of these
used to
are
set off
incorrect.
additional information or as a
Correct
way to
would be,
include
they
comments
have
within a
2
sentence.
cars.
For
We just
example,
add the
the
S at
event,
the end
which
to
took
make it
place
plural.
last night,
I love
was a huge
cats
success.
and dogs.
Text appears on screen. Rule 11, parentheses.
Rule number 5. Apostrophes
Host,
are used
rule
for
number
contractions
12. The
or to
ellipsis
show
is used to
possession.
indicate a pause,
So for
omission,
example,
or trailing
I
off in
don't
dialogue
know
or writing.
is
For
a
instance,
contraction.
I was just thinking,
Don't is
never
a
mind.
contraction for do
Text
not.
appears on
We
screen.
can merge these 2 words together and add an apostrophe to make it don't.